Hi there, welcome to Mobility. In this short video, we'll guide you through navigating the homepage of our app so you can easily manage your bookings and track your support services. Let's dive in. When you open the Mobility app, it automatically lands on the homepage. So here you'll see a list of all your upcoming cancelled and expired jobs displayed by date. Jobs from the previous day will also appear at the top of the list. To view any of your currently open jobs that haven't been booked yet, simply head to the Jobs page by tapping on the Jobs icon in the bottom navigation menu. Check out our Posting a Job video or visit our help desk for further guidance. Above all of your bookings, you'll see a bar labelled Spent. This is your budget tracker, showing how much you've spent for the current year or month. Tap on it to toggle between the year and month view. Want to see your bookings in a calendar format? Tap the calendar icon on the top right of your screen. You can view your bookings by day, week or month. Swipe left to move forward and swipe right to go back. In the day or week view, swipe up or down to see all bookings over a 24-hour schedule. In month view, any dates with bookings will have coloured dots. Tap on a day to see a breakdown of the bookings for that day, or tap on a booking to view more details. You'll notice that some of the bookings are different colours. Here's what they mean. Great. This is an expired job. You can view details and chat with the worker, but you can't edit or remove them from your calendar. Blue. This is a cancelled booking. You can view details, chat with the booked worker, or remove it from your calendar. Green. This is an accepted or completed booking. You can view and edit details for an upcoming booking or report an incident for a previous booking. Want to check your inbox? Tap on the green speech bubble at the top right of your screen to view any of the chats you have sent workers. If you have any unread chats, you'll see a red circle with a number indicating how many unread messages you have. To reply or send a worker a new message, simply select that chat from the list, type your message and hit send. The big green plus icon on the bottom right of the homepage is great for quickly sending a shift request or finding a new worker. Simply tap the icon and follow the prompts. That's a quick tour of the homepage on the Mobility app. For more detailed guides and tips, visit the help desk on our website.